Well guys, we're back here at the bar brawl job. I'm slicking this edge up here. Idaho and his daughter's gonna be here in a little bit. They're gonna do the riprap while I start finish grading all this up and get this thing knocked out. A few finishing touches to do on it. Look how full my bucket is of slop. I didn't even feel like digging it out. It's coming together, guys. I see the original grade for the pond dam back there. Bringing all this dirt up here so I can grab with the dozer, bring her across the dam. It sucks when your bucket's full like that, but I just don't feel like digging it out. I was hoping it'd dry out enough to pop out this morning, but it didn't. Forgot about that. I was in the shop this morning and my Sawzall was there. I'm looking at like, I need that for this job for some reason. I couldn't remember why. I was gonna bring it to cut that, but I brought that. So we'll use that and I'll probably end up cutting into the frame and screwing my blade up. You know the thing about these electric saws and stuff, guys? It's a great idea. I got it because I like the idea of it being in my truck and not having to smell gas. I was gonna grab my Husky and I just don't, and I had to haul 2 loads of gravel and then I'd smell like gas. The thing is though, look, I got the small battery in there. That big battery, I don't know what they call it, 2-hour battery or something, I don't know, is only 2 seasons old. I bet, I know I ain't got, there ain't 10 hours on that saw. And that battery's shot already. To replace that battery, I think the guy, it was at least $200. So the saw cost me $450 with that big battery. And then now another $200, that's $600. I could have bought an XP Husqvarna saw, I guess, if I just didn't want to smell gas. That's the problem with the battery stuff. You know, now I'm running the small batteries, which they don't have the power and as long, but they, I'm not spending $200 more. So then, yeah, I'm not gonna do it. There's just some things that just don't add up, and that's one of them. Let's see if we can whack this sucker out. Probably still won't come out. Huh. Surprisingly, that was easier than expected. Now let me make sure I put this somewhere where I run over it, smash it into smithereens. If you guys check out the video 7 Years Bad Luck, that's where Idaho brought that steel chainsaw or something. I can't remember if it was a brand new one, and he went and had it serviced. I'm like, $179 chainsaw, them are throwaways. That's what it was. He bought a new steel. I said, dude, for $179, them are throwaways. And so the next season, I said, yeah, you'll be good this year. The next year, you won't be able to start it. Sure enough, he took it to the thing. The service bill was like $160. His you can buy it, I think he bought that thing for $179. Let's jump on the chariot of choice. Sometimes it's better just to, I hate to do it if you're built like me, sometimes it's better throw it away and get a new one than rebuilding it. That's kind of what I'm in the middle of right now with that excavator I got, that 316. I don't know if I told you guys, but it's got blow by, so we're gonna, I got a mechanic coming, we're gonna take the head off, see if we can do an in frame, and then I got a price on a long block to drop in it, which is $9,000 some dollars. So I'm gonna have to weigh my options there, just put a brand new motor, or hone it, pistons, rings, and do all that with it. I don't know. That's gonna be a next week deal. But the thing is, with a motor from Cat, it's 100 days out. But I didn't think 9 grand was too bad for a motor ready to go. Bust out another 10,000. When spreading topsoil along the dam, I always start from the top and work down. Let everything kind of roll down. Well, we got the king sheep and the king sheep's sibling. The old bastard called me last night. He's like, yeah, I can't believe king sheep wouldn't come down and film you. I'm like, what are you talking about?
Oh, down at Vivi?
Yeah, because he's watching the videos. He's like, I can't believe he didn't come film you being that close to you.
Well, I would if I lived out there.
Well, heck, you're usually out there every day of the week. You've been on a dry spell. What's going on?
I don't know. It's been since Jamie's birthday.
Yeah, too long.
Yeah.
Then I got a text from Brandon. He's gonna help us.
Brandon who?
Osborne.
What?
For septics.
No, he ain't. He told Job he wouldn't run a shovel.
You don't really shovel, it's a rake.
Well, he acted like no manual labor.
Really?
Yeah.
He loves working out stuff.
Well, that doesn't mean anything, working out. I've seen guys that would...
There ain't nobody cut from the old school cloth like you.
No,
Look, see, this was supposed to be Ellie's job, but look at Ellie.
Well, I'm gonna...
You're showing her how to do it.
No, I'm waiting.
I'm gonna make it easy for her.
No feet, no hardtail boots. She don't care.
No.
Yeah, with that weight in there, about flips me over the hill when I try.
I know. Well, I watched you doing that last dig in that hole, and you swing around it, but your whole ass end was coming up.
All day yesterday was just amateur hour for me. Hey, to do what we got done in the amount of time we did, I told everybody yesterday it was like a bar brawl.
Oh, yeah.
Shit was going everywhere. Yeah. I was down in there, and I knew I was probably going to hit it when I was swinging, but I just said I don't even care. I don't care.
Your counterweight?
I hadn't ate nothing all day. That Red Bull was super kicking in. I was just... I was in one of those moods. If somebody said the wrong thing to me, we wouldn't be friends afterwards.
Oh, shit.
You guys have been there before.
Oh, yeah. You're hangry? Is that what you're saying?
I was everything.
So I was yesterday. I was too tired.
I can't see you being mean. Hangry.
Oh, I got up yesterday. She was just coming home from a run.
A run?
Yeah, down the road. Well, it turns out.
Idaho's got me all hooked up. We're going to pull these trees out.
Said you should see it go back on. I got the receipt up there in the truck.
You got my wheel charger?
Yep, it's in the back of the truck. Yep, I put it in there. Everything was shut up, and I didn't want to hang on a tree or anything. I'd forget about it for sure then. It ain't so big now, is it? Yeah. Yeah, see? There you go. It does. It smells like pine. Or I mean cedar. That's an eastern red cedar.
What was you rodeoing? What was all this about?
Oh, I was going like this.
What's that mean?
Roll it out.
Oh, roll it out.
Come on, Justin.
Sometimes it's roll it out, pull forward, back up.
Roll it out.
I don't know what my hands are doing.
Well, if you don't know, I sure in the heck don't know.
If they ain't on a freaking taco, they're all on their own anyway.
That's right. It's like we're just digging crabs out of Bering Sea here, ain't it?
That's right. Yep, that's a good one. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
I went home last night, and well, both since I made that breakfast thing on the
Yeah.
Blackstone, both nights I've gone home and I got them big flour tortilla shells. I put that in there, microwave it, a little bit of hot sauce, spice, a little bit of honey, roll it up. That's why I've had 2 nights.
With the breakfast stuff?
Yeah, a breakfast burrito.
Wow. Sounds amazing. It's like noon and I'm starving.
Hey, duck blind surprise and a burrito.
He's ate up, ain't he, guys? Well, guys, here's how this one finished out if you wanted to see. Again, I didn't get much recording of anything going on. It's one of those ones overdue. I need to get out of here. So I didn't want to take the time. Remember right here, I bet we went 13 to 15 foot deep down in the center. Yeah, it turned out good. I can get on this mow. You might have to cut some stuff off there. Little pile we got knocked down here, but all in all, turned out good. If this one makes it to YouTube, guys, I apologize. I didn't put much effort into this video. Like I said, I was trying to get out of this barroom brawl. But like always, I wanted to bring it to the end and just show you what it looked like. So I didn't keep you hanging like a cliffhanger. That's how us family do. You know what I'm saying? Well, guys, till our next adventure, you guys know what to do. Keep on banging it.